Hello everyone, we have another tutorial for you today. We're going to be learning how to create questions in your Learn Lounge courses. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do is to log into our teacher account, and we can do that by going to dashboard.learnlounge.games/login, and that's going to lead you to this page right here. And when you're here, you want to go ahead and type in your email and then the password, and just click sign in. Okay, and when you're here, this is the dashboard home page. And if you look over on the left hand side, you'll see it says courses. If you click on that word, it's going to pop open the courses menu. And then whichever course that you want to create the questions in, you want to click on the name of that course. So let's just say first course right here. And so right now we have 4 questions, and that's going to pop up right here. But if you don't have any, it's going to say 0. And so to look at the questions or to create new questions, click on questions right over here. And then on this page, if you have questions in the course already, they're going to pop up on the right hand side. Otherwise, if you haven't created any yet for this course, then it's going to be blank on the right hand side. And so to create a new question for the course, we want to click in this box right here where it says question type. Okay, and you're gonna be you're gonna have 4 options: multiple choice, true, false, specific solution, and open-ended. Okay, so let's look at the multiple choice option first. If we click on that, we're gonna get this little layout here. And so there are always going to be 4 answer choices, A, B, C, and D. And we're going to have to click in where it says question. And the question editor is going to pop up. And this is where we can actually type in the question. So if we click inside this box right here, we can go ahead and start typing. And let's just make the question say, let's see. Susie has, let's say 10 balloons and gives 3 to Tommy. How many balloons does she have left? Okay, something real simple, just for this purpose of this tutorial. Click insert at the bottom, and it's going to fill in this box right here with the question. And now you can do the same steps for the answer choices. So if we click in each of these boxes here, so click in the answer for A, click in this box right here, and then we can type in the answer choice for A. So let's say, I don't know, 6 balloons, maybe. Click insert down at the bottom, and it's going to fill in answer choice A. Do the same thing for B. So click in the box for B, click at this box here, and let's make this option 7 balloons. Insert, and that's going to fill in B. Let's go ahead and do that for C and D as well to finish that out. Oop, if I can spell. Okay. And then the last thing that you want to do for multiple choice is select the correct answer. So notice that on the right hand side of each of the A, B, C, and D boxes, there are these boxes right here. Whichever one that you click in is going to select that answer choice as the correct answer. So 10 balloons, we give away 3. That's going to be 7 balloons left over. So if we click in this box, we're selecting B as our correct answer choice. And then we can click add question, and it's going to fill in on the right hand side. See right there, Susie has 10 balloons. That's the question we just created. Okay, that is multiple choice questions. We can now move on to the next type. So click back in here, and this time let's look at true and false questions. So let's click on that. And this is going to start out the same way. If you click in question right here, and then click in this box, we can go ahead and type in the question. So let's say last time we did Chris, so let's do Alejandro. Alejandro likes Android phones. Okay, that's our statement. Click insert, and that fills it in. And then we need to select whether this is true or false. And on this one, let's set it to false. Right there, click in that box, make sure it's check marked, and then click add question, and it's going to fill in on the right hand side right there. Okay, so that's two of the question types. That was multiple choice and then true and false. Let's look at the third one, specific solution. So we'll click on that, and again, starts out the same way. We need to type in the question right here. So we'll click in this box, and for specific solution, now let's say what is 36 divided by 4? Okay, something like that. If we click insert, it's going to fill in the question there. And then for answer, we can click in the answer box. And this time, because it's specific solution, we're going to write the answer. We're going to type the answer that we want the students to answer with. Okay, so we're going to choose 9. Okay, and since this is specific solution, students have to type in 9 exactly the same way that you did. Okay, so if you wanted to make the instructions clear for you students, you could include that in the question itself. So if we click back in here and then click in the box again, you can say type your answer as a number. Okay, that way they can type in the number 9 instead of spelling out the word. And that's just up to you. If we hit insert, see it's going to update with the new question right there with that. And then once you're happy with what you've created, hit add question. All right. So those 3 question types, multiple choice, true, false, and specific solution, are the 3 question types that we can grade automatically for you because you provided us with a correct answer. The 4th type of question is not automatically graded, and that's because it is open-ended. Okay, so we'll click here and then go to open-ended. On this one, you only provide the question, and read this note: open-ended questions cannot be automatically checked for correct answers. Okay, so this is up to your discretion on how you want to grade the students. You can grade it as correct or incorrect based on however they answered. We can't do that for you. So if you'll just click in the question and then go ahead and type that in. What is the meaning of life? Make it an open-ended question. Click insert. And then whenever they see this question, they're just going to have to type in whatever they think the meaning of life is. So however they want to answer it, and then you can go in and check and see, do you want to give them credit or not? Okay. So we'll hit add question, and it's going to fill in on the right hand side. Yep, there it is. Okay, and those are the 4 types of questions that you can create within this Learn Lounge dashboard. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you get to creating questions really soon. See you in the next one. Take care.